Want to quickly generate compelling ad headlines that capture attention and drive conversions? In this video, I'll show you how to use AdCreative AI to generate ad headlines that actually work, fast. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive offer you can't miss. AdCreative AI is a cutting-edge platform that leverages artificial intelligence to craft high-performing ad creatives, including headlines. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Google, or any other platform, AdCreative AI makes the process of writing headlines super easy, and it helps you create the most optimized copy for your target audience. Getting started is simple. First, you'll need to sign up for AdCreative AI. You can do so through the first link in the description below. What's great about AdCreative AI is that it's not just about generating random headlines. It's about creating headlines that are tailored to your specific goals and audience. Once you're in, you'll notice how intuitive the platform is. You can select the ad type you want, Facebook, Instagram, Google, or even display ads, and then input a few key details about your campaign, like the product or service you're advertising. From there, AdCreative AI uses its advanced algorithms to suggest several ad headlines that are designed to capture attention, engage the right audience, and boost conversion rates. But here's where it gets interesting. AdCreative AI doesn't just stop at creating headlines. It also helps with the overall creative strategy. You can test different variations and let the software analyze which ones are performing the best. This takes the guesswork out of running ads, which is a huge time saver, especially for marketers or small business owners. Now you might be wondering, what makes these headlines so effective? The magic lies in the data. AdCreative AI uses a massive database of successful ad creatives across various industries. It taps into this knowledge to recommend headlines that are proven to work. This means you don't need to be a copywriting expert to create winning ads. The platform helps you leverage what's already been tested and optimized by others. But how do you know which headlines are best for your specific campaign? That's where AdCreative AI shines. It allows you to run A/B tests directly within the platform, making it easy to see which headlines resonate the most with your target audience. This data-driven approach means that every headline you generate has a better chance of performing at its peak. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, this tool can save you time and effort. If you're creating multiple ads, you don't have to start from scratch each time. Simply plug in your product details, and AdCreative AI will generate unique, high-quality headlines in just a few clicks. And here's the best part. You can use this software completely free right now through the link below. Not only will you get access to the platform, but you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses that will help you take full advantage of everything AdCreative AI has to offer. By the way, stick around until the end of this video because I'll be sharing how you can get an extended free trial to AdCreative AI that most users don't have access to. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So to recap, AdCreative AI is an easy-to-use platform that generates highly effective ad headlines tailored to your needs. It saves you time, improves your ad's performance, and takes the guesswork out of the creative process. Don't forget, you can try it completely free, and I'll be sharing an exclusive offer at the end, so stay tuned.